Hi friends, welcome to Answer Social class. This is your social sir. Today we are going to learn about the CBSE 9th class Contemporary India Part 1. So Contemporary India Part 1, through this chapter, so we have to understand about the geography of India, Indian geography. Okay, but from that part, now today we are going to learn about the lesson which is called as the India size and location. India size and location, that is our topic. But India size and location, okay, not only India, in any country size and location we can learn through the latitudes and longitudes only. Without help of the latitudes and longitudes, we cannot find out any place of the location and size also. So that is why simply I have to give some foundation like that. This is the first of all we have to learn to find out the size and location about latitudes and longitudes. So total latitudes, how many are there? 181 total latitudes are there. 181. But how can we prove it? So through this way. For example, this is the globe. Okay, it is the globe. So this is the globe. On the globe, we can identify, because of globe is the model of the earth. Okay, what is the model of the earth? Globe is the model of the earth. So the earth can be divided two hemispheres or two parts only because of 0 degree latitude, which is called as the equator. This is the equator. So equator is dividing to the earth two parts. This is the northern hemisphere. This is the southern hemisphere. This is the north part. This is the south part. North part is called as the northern hemisphere. South part is called as the southern hemisphere. And then we can find out some more important latitudes only. 0 degree, it is the biggest latitude, and the next one 23.5 degree. 23.5 degree. North latitude. North latitude is called as the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, this is the Tropic of Cancer. It is the Tropic of Cancer. And one more important latitude, 66.5 degree. 66.5 degree. North latitude is called as the Arctic Circle. So this is the Arctic Circle. And next one finally 90 degree. This is the North Pole. Like that, in this way, in the southern hemisphere also we can identify the important latitudes. 23.5 degree. South latitude is called as the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. This is the Tropic of Cancer. And the next one 66.5 degree. South latitude is called as the Antarctic Circle. Okay, in the northern hemisphere we can identify the Arctic Circle. This is the Antarctic Circle. And finally southern pole, south pole, 90 degree. Okay, that is the point only because of, but gradually if you see that from equator to 90 degree north pole, we can see that we can observe latitudes are decreasing, okay, decreasing. And then after that is why in the northern hemisphere, how many latitudes are there? The total latitudes are 90 in the northern hemisphere. At the same time in the southern hemisphere also 90. So total 90 plus 90, 180 plus 1. The 1 is the 0 degree latitude equator. That is why the total latitudes are 181 latitudes. So this is the small information about the latitudes. And next one we are going to learn what about the longitudes. Longitudes also we can identify. So like that equator, one longitude is there. It is the 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. So this is the 0 degree longitude, which is called as the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time or Greenwich Line, because the 0 degree longitude is passing through the England only, one of the sea. That is called as the Thames. Okay, Thames. At the same time, the Thames Sea is situated in one of the city which is called as the Greenwich. That is why the line is called as the Greenwich line. 0 degree longitude is the Greenwich line only. So like that, the 0 degree longitude is dividing two parts, which is called as, this is the eastern hemisphere, this is the western hemisphere, like that. So the latitude is dividing two parts, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. The longitude also dividing two parts. This is called as the eastern hemisphere, this is called as the western hemisphere. So like that, how many longitudes are there? So in this way here, in the southern hemisphere we can identify the 180. At the same time, in the eastern hemisphere also we can identify 180. So total longitudes are 180 plus 180, total 360 longitudes are there on the globe or on the earth. But here, one point you have to remember. Okay, international dateline is only one longitude. In the eastern hemisphere as well as the western hemisphere also, this is only one. We can count the only one as the one longitude only, not like latitudes. Okay, so this is the information about the longitudes and latitudes. Now we can go through the lesson only. Okay, right. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world, we know that. So directly we are going to learn about the lesson which is called as the India size and location. India size and location. Before we are going to learn about the, she is introducing about the greatness of our country. Okay, right. We can see what is the greatness of India as per the CBSE syllabus. Okay, as per the CBSE syllabus. So India is one of the ancient civilization in the world, because of the most important civilization is called as the Indus civilization. Indus, the India, the word also derived from the Indus river. Okay, the Indus river, those who are living on the bank of the river Indus. But actually river Indus originate in the Himalayas only. Okay, in the Himalayas it is closest to the Tibet also, and then it flows through this way. And then those who came to India, like foreigners or Pardesi. Okay, in the 7th standard CBSE syllabus you learnt about the foreign languages. Okay, old and new terminology. That is the lesson, first lesson I think. So as per that information, the India derived from the river Indus, because of the biggest civilization in India, Indus civilization. Now we are going to learn about the location of India. How can we identify the location? Through the latitudes and longitudes. So you should not forget it. Okay, then India location completely. India is laying entirely in the northern hemisphere. That's we have to see. Simply we should not read it, and then we can prove that. But India completely situated in the northern hemisphere. Right, we can go through the globe also. So this is the globe. Now it is the 0 degree latitude, and this is the 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer. This is the 23.5 degree Tropic of Capricorn. But we know very well, one of the latitude is passing middle of our country, which is called as the Tropic of Cancer. So that is why we can understand India. Okay, India located in this place only. So then we can prove it. India is laying completely, entirely in the northern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere. So are you clear? At the same time, the mainland extends latitudes. Now we are going to learn about the location. 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitudes. 8 degree 4 minutes. 8 degree 4 minutes to. Now we have to see that India location. This is the latitude and this is the one more latitude. Now we are going to learn about the latitudes only. Okay, the status of the latitudes. 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes. This is the 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, completely north latitudes only, because of India is laying in the northern hemisphere. Okay. So do you understand? And then this is the location of the latitudes only. 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. And what about longitudes? So now we have to start through this way. This is the longitude and this is the one more longitude. And now we can see that the longitude is 68 degree 7 minutes east longitudes. Okay, 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. So longitude, this is the longitude 60. See, I am saying about the longitudes only. 68 degree 7 minutes. 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude. Okay, the location of India. About longitudes only I am telling. 68 degree 7 minutes north longitude to 97 degree. So this is one more longitude. 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes completely. Latitudes completely north latitudes. Completely east longitude. So this is the location of India. That is why we have to agree with that one of the point, one of the latitude. For example, 0 degree, 8 degree, 9, 10, 11, 12, like the 20, 20 and 3.5 degree. This is the main important latitude. Okay, 23.5 degree. North latitude is passing through the middle of the India. Then we can identify easily which latitude is passing through the India, through our middle of our country. The latitude is called as the Tropic of Cancer. Do you understand? Because the location already we saw that 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. This is the status of the latitude. And what about longitude? 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. Okay, that is the location of the India. That is why one of the important latitude is passing middle of our country. That is called as the Tropic of Cancer. Simple. So the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree 30 minutes. So do you understand? See, this is the symbol. It's very important. This is also like basic information I am giving. So this is the symbol of the degree. This is the symbol of the minute. This is the symbol of the seconds. Okay. If there is a 2 lines, it is the symbol of the seconds. If there is 1 line, this is the symbol of the minute. And if there is a circle, that is the symbol of the degree. Okay. That is why we have to read 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude. And the next one more point about Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree or 23 degree 30 minutes. As like you can pronounce in this way also, 23 degree 30 minutes north divides the country into 2 parts, 2 equal parts. Okay, Tropic of Cancer passing through the how many states? Now we have to learn. Okay, through the nearly Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Tripura and the Mizoram. Okay, nearly 8 states sharing with the Tropic of Cancer. How can we prove it? Then we have to prove it. First one, Rajasthan. Here we can find out the Rajasthan, Gujarat also. Rajasthan, Gujarat. And also here we can find out the Chhattisgarh. Okay, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh. And also here we have to Madhya Pradesh. This is the Gujarat. This is the Rajasthan. This is the Madhya Pradesh. This is the Chhattisgarh. Okay, do you understand? And the next one is the Jharkhand. Okay, here we have to identify the Jharkhand because of the Jharkhand divided from the Bihar. And the next one is the West Bengal. And the next 2 states are from the northeastern states. One is the Tripura and second one is the Mizoram. Here we have to identify the Tripura and here we have to identify the Mizoram. Tripura, Mizoram. Okay. So these are the sharing with the Tropic of Cancer in India. Do you understand how many states are sharing with the Tropic of Cancer in India? Because the Tropic of Cancer passing through the middle of our country. And next more important, to the southeast. And if we can see, what about Indian location like that? To the southeast, the Bay of Bengal, and also Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there. Okay, southeast and Andaman and Nicobar Islands also, and also southwest. So southeast we can see some islands, a group of islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and southwest corner we can see Lakshadweeps. Okay, so and then here we have to remember one of the important point which is called as the Indira Point. Indira Point, okay, the southernmost point of the Indian Union. At the same time, Indira Point, but it was submerged under the seawater in 2004 tsunami. Okay, where is the Indira Point? Indira Point we have to identify that in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but it was submerged because of the 2004 tsunami. Because of the 2004 tsunami. Do you understand? And also Indira Point is called as the most tip of India. Okay, the most tip of India, Kanyakumari. What is the most southern point of India? See, do you understand? Two points I am giving. Most southern tip of India, Kanyakumari. Most southern part of India, point of India, Indira Point. Do you understand? So this is the information about the location. And in the next video, we can learn size. What about the India size? Okay. So dear children, especially this is for CBSE students only. And if you like this video, please subscribe and also share with your friends, and please give the comments also. So now from this video we completed only location of India with the basic information. And next video, part 2. Okay, part 2, India size and location, and we can learn part 2 size, about India size. Thank you very much.